Their shop, Jarus, boy, I tell you about the country life. Nothing like, yeah, trust me. Yeah, man, but me there road and I'm run go buy some goods for the shop. Yeah, man, some soda and whatnot. But come on, yard, man, just show you around, you know? It's a blessing. They are seafood. Yeah, man. I have a lot to show y'all, you know. It's just a fine time to put it together. Yeah, man. So you all can see what's popping in yard there, you know. Most naturally. Honestly, I always tell myself, so, you know what? If I do farming, I have to try it first, because I don't know if I agree with it. Yeah, man. And the very first time I plant, trust me, it give me a fight. Because honestly, everything just keep dying. Yeah, man, but when you're a young farmer, them something always go on, you know? And over the years, after learning exactly how to plant certain stuff or certain things, trust me, it's a blessing for what you produce manifest to be something great, man. But if it's on time, not depend on yes as usual. Yeah, man, so just kick back, relax, and let me show you how we live a yard. Yeah, man. They say when one door closes, a whole lot more open, you know? Yeah, Surrey Island. Yes, man. Woo. Road kind of bad. You have to beat a few potholes, but that's how you go. So yard stay, you know? Yeah, man.
Him lighten my weight and him shoulder me burden. Brush off arms hose and him clean out corrosion. Keeping it real, man, I go bow to them pressure. And when them a come like a force of water.
Yeah, man, stay strong, man.
Remember that? Like, subscribe and share. Spread the thing.
Alright.
101, isn't it?
Alright, that's it, bro.
Yeah.
Come on, yard, man. I got a river. All I wash off as usual, you know me. The river water always have this extremely peacefulness about it. It just have this energy. Trust me, I have to just soak up as much as it as possible. Stick around, man. river me there and rose apple season. Trust me. Tree a blossom, you know, man. Yeah, man, this is a Jamaican rose apple tree, you know? And it's in a full blossom. Today is a beautiful day, man. Nice day, you know? Come on yard, let me show you around. Most naturally. Yeah, man. Up on a boat in the countryside. St. Thomas to be in fact. Yeah, man. St. Thomas, Jamaica with it, you know? Yeah, man. Keeping it local. Typical Jamaican life. Yeah, man. And we did the young on the riverside. We did Morgan River. Yeah, man. Up in the hills of Somerset. Trust me. No place like yard, man. My little spot this when I come on morning time. Come chill as you all know. Yeah, man. Love the countryside, you know. Rose apple tree in a full bloom. Yeah, man. So time to come and be a rose apple there at riverside. Yeah, man. But you know me already. Up the hill me I go, you know. Forward a yard. Up on a boat and me they have vibe to flames. Yeah, man. You know the energy go. Bro, they are 6. It's real. Yeah, man. They say it there. Yeah, man. DJ run a corner, build up him frost. Straight. Yeah, man. Supreme. Need some time, man. Come on, yard. We have a lot more to come. Blessings. Every time. Go friend, listen. What little deep, man. Yeah, I did there's something, you know. No, man, they grown up and so me that tell you about the bushwork. Yeah, man, them man I think up, man. Anytime I'm ready. You see me? Yeah, man, I enter here, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
That's why I asked him when man drop the next episode, man.
Run a corner. Yeah, man. I'm a boss there.
Fully we saying a full work out there, you know. Check it out, man. Our boss music, you know what thing, big up there himself.
I'm impressed.
You know, tired and abroad, you hear that?
Proper.
Yeah, man, fully hard lad.
Yeah, man, we ever keep it real, you know. Natural, most naturally. Yeah, man, but different is still really. I just that more and kick off. More and start the work.
I tell you, say mostly. That's why I go and call this morning. Me nearly not get the work and 2 months of time I did it.
Yeah.
I not get the work and still not carry it so. And when me not busy come morning,
yeah, man.
me have to go and bush it up.
But I just we get the work and then call. Most of the money when me get from me that talk about it and then say, then willing to come, then busy you know. Because me get the money late. Is it me? So
I can't late, you know. Only 2 little cents like could have gone with it already if you could have go by yourself.
Alright,
and somebody the conscious around the shot like the whoop like a girl see away.
I tell you what.
You see if a girl could have given her a break like she know and gone to work and she can't get paid. You still could have got there, you know.
At that, tomorrow no, she go free. Is it me? But she knows say yo, after she done with the school work, she go free so probably she might have few things that go do till about Saturday. Is it me? So yeah. So probably the entire she can see her shop. So even if you don't get nobody to go, you can get up in the morning and go rub off 1 3 hours. Yeah, man. Alright. So you know what I'm going. Yeah, man. I'm going and rub off. Yeah, man. What I rub? Oh, big dada. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, but come out I road. Greetings, man. Yeah, man. So, if you attack it slowly, isn't it? Until, because I know if I start and even after my own, by a couple of days, I know I will get a strength. Yeah, man, this is just a fraction of what is to come. stick around, man. This is hard. Really hard life.
Two-Face, come and take off something off your neck. Oh.